I started from my home at 3:30 a.m. and right now I'm in the National Highway of Guwahati just before. Good morning to my YouTube channel. The date is 31st of July 2022 and I am starting off from Guwahati, my home city, and this is going to be one of the longest ride of my life so far. I'm riding my H2 and we will try to reach Siliguri or Bagdogra airport today. However, the final destination is going to be Bangalore. So it's a long ride and week ahead. Hopefully you guys enjoy the view that I'm going to capture in the entire ride. Yes, if you do like my content, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Going to be a nomad for like an entire week or so because I'm not in any rush to reach Bangalore. I have to attend a friend's wedding in Kolkata, so I will be taking a holiday for 3 days and also will meet up with a couple of my friends. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting ride for me and I hope you all can also enjoy through my eyes and yours. A very rainy day. It was raining all night and even I did start with a little bit of rain, but I do have my rain gears on top of my riding gear, so I do not expect to waste any time by stopping much on my way to Bagdogra International Airport in Siliguri, which is going to be my first stop for the day. So let's enjoy the ride and the scenic view of the Dwars and Kalimpong district on the way. I'm going to stay in Bangalore for tonight. I've already researched about it beforehand, and I'm going to provide the details to you guys in the description box.